Hi there, and welcome back to another Bee video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect your ActiveCampaign account with Bee. So let's go ahead and get started. Open up your Bee dashboard and click Settings and then choose Connectors. You'll see an option for ActiveCampaign and go ahead and click Connect right there. Next, you'll need to get your API key from ActiveCampaign. So from your ActiveCampaign dashboard, click Settings and Developer, and your API link and key will pop up. Go ahead and copy both of those, and now you're ready to navigate back over to Bee and paste the link and the key. Click Connect and you're good to go. Now, if you want to export an email template to ActiveCampaign from Bee, you're going to open up your project and then select the Edit Message menu and choose Export. From there, just select ActiveCampaign, and then all you have to do is click Create, and Bee will automatically push your template over to ActiveCampaign. You'll be able to view that template within ActiveCampaign and then save it and send it from there. And that's it. That's how you can connect your ActiveCampaign account with Bee.